sun is shining up so high, warming up the lake and sky. Water turns to steam so light, up it goes and out of sight. The steam becomes a fluffy cloud, floating gently, big and proud. More and more it starts to grow. The sky gets gray, it starts to show. The clouds get heavy, oh so full. They can't hold on, no longer dull. Drip, drip, drop, the rain comes down, splashing puddles all around. The flowers bloom, the trees say yay. The thirsty